you have to have somebody put their foot in front of it. Yeah, someone has to put their foot in front of it and then just give you a little push. Move those bases out of the way. This is Kelly. Kelly's like, what about the Lexan? Like, we have all this catering stuff in there. I know. Smart. What? Maybe, but right now just use that one.
Watch this, I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna slide.
Okay, you need to come try this bucket. Look at me, Hayden. Look at me. Hayden.